Hi, it's Don Quixote, and in this video I'm going to talk about batch processing in the FX panel. So first of all, what is batch processing? Let's say I have a folder with a bunch of images and I want to apply the same preset from the FX panel to every single image within this folder. I could of course open each image in Photoshop individually and apply it, but we also have something that is called batch processing. To access batch processing, go to Panel Settings and navigate to the fourth item, or go to the Quick menu and click on Batch Processing. First of all, you need to select a preset. You can do that in the drop-down menu, let's say duotone, and you can also click on the Option button to specify the preset or change its parameters, and click on the Create button on the batch item to go back. Then you have to decide if you want to overwrite the original images or if you want to save them as separate images. And if you want to save them as separate images, you can decide if it should be a PSD file or a JPEG file. If it's a PSD file, all the layers will be saved. If it's a JPEG, you can decide which quality you want to save them with. And let's just say we want a PSD file. And if you do not overwrite the original, you also have to select the destination, which can be a subfolder within the original folder, or it can be a folder somewhere on your computer. In this case, I want to create a subfolder. Let's just say leave it by FX panel export, then press Save Batch. And in this dialog, I want to select the Pics for Batch folder on my desktop and press Open. Depending on how many pictures you have and how big they are, this can take a little bit. And after you're done, the panel tells you 37 files have been successfully exported to the folder. And if we take a look in the Finder, we see that there's a new folder. Let's take a look. And here are all the Photoshop files with the duotone preset we just created. So that's how you can batch process files with the FX panel.